Alright, hi guys, today I'm here to test out this pH tester. It does come with pretty simple instructions right here. It tells you how to operate them, and then of course it tells you the different acidity levels and base levels, and then how to calibrate it and everything. It's fairly easy. I do have distilled water in my filter paper so I can clean it when it's done. But they do send you these powders so that when you're calibrating it, you can just dump in a cup and calibrate it real quick. I've already done a set, that's why I have just this set left. They send you 2 sets. So, looking at it, here's your meter. You're going to have your little display right here. It's going to pop up some numbers. You have your on and off and your calibration button. And then, of course, you have your electrode down here. So we're going to first start off with the Gatorade. As you can see, I have Fruit Punch Gatorade. It is already in the cup. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it in there. I'm going to stick it in there. Come up closer, please, so you can see it. And then I'm going to hit the on button. I'm going to stick it in there. And I'm going to let it sit, because I'm going to let it stabilize. Usually it might take about 30 seconds or so. What you want to do when you first get it, of course, is clean it with distilled water and everything like that. And then when it's done, you're going to wash it again with distilled water. So it's reading about 4.15 right now. Going down. It keeps going down. So, like I said, you just want to wait till it stabilizes out. Not a big deal. And while that's doing that, I'm going to get my hot tub water. Keep on that. I'm going to get my hot tub water. So it's at 3.85, or it keeps going down. So as you can see, it's not quite stabilized yet. It just keeps on slowly going down. Nope, hasn't hit its stabilization point yet. Oh, is that it? Nope, nope, still going down. It's slowly going down now. So obviously it takes more than a minute for Gatorade to stabilize at a pH level. But as you can see, it does work right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out and clean it. I'm going to clean it real quick. And let me clean it. Let me dry it off with my filler paper. So like I said, you're going to dip it in distilled water to get it clean. And then you're going to use filler paper to dry it off. Don't use your regular clothes or anything like that. Regular water, nothing like that. Use distilled water. So then, of course, now here, let's put the Gatorade over there. I have a cup of my hot tub water. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that in there and turn it on. And this should be a lot higher because of the chlorine content in it. So we shall see. So we're at, no, it's going down. Maybe I need more chlorine. Yeah, I think I need more chlorine. I gotta check my pH levels on this. But as you can see, the numbers are just keep going, and you just want to wait till that number becomes stable to really get a true pH reading. These are super easy to use. It's not like those testing strips where you have to compare the color, because I'm colorblind and those testing strips are absolutely horrible. So now I can get an exact measurement on my pool, my hot tub, my fish tanks, whatever I need to use it for. It's absolutely amazing. So I think it's slowly getting to that point of stabilization. But you saw between the Gatorade, it was like 3.65, and this is 6.75. So you can tell, it really does distinguish between acidic and basic. So overall, I definitely recommend it.